चलो रोहन वाली team, the mental health stigma. Okay, tell me your how might be POV and user persona that you guys have built.
Okay, so user persona mein the name of the person is Rohan.
Right.
So we can see that his behavior is deteriorating social interaction. Then he is having a poor academics and a closed up personality because he's unable to talk to the people.
Okay.
And is also unable to ask help to parents, friends and teachers because of fear of being judged or labeled as weak or unstable.
Okay.
So he's a 22-year-old male who is a student. So usually students face a problem of mental illness basically whenever they doesn't get a good grades or break up.
Okay.
So that's what. Now what are the needs and goals?
Right.
So first of all, he needs to be heard. And he should be given a good family support and motivation also from friends and other people who are around them, and should not be left alone. He should not be left alone. And there should be decoupling of mental illness with the statement of being labeled as weak or unstable. So there should be a decoupling of that. So this was a user persona.
Okay.
So now point of view statement is, we met Rohan sitting in a park, staring at the cover page of the book,
Okay.
totally blank, zoomed out, and they can't see a bright student who is falling down from his success ladder. So what we were surprised to see that he doesn't talk much, and even whenever he is approached by someone, he refuses to talk much to them because, again, fear of being judged. We wonder if this means that he thought mental illness is a stigma where he will be considered depressed, hence is always in a fearful state. He thought that he will be judged by his friends, family. So what will be a game changer in this situation, that he should be given an environment, or an environment should be created where we all, first put us in his shoes, empathize with him and make him believe that talking to some professional will not degrade his condition, and there are many people who suffer from this mental illness wala situation, and it should be given a very, importance. I said we can't leave it.
Okay.
So how might we statement is, how might we educate the masses that mental illness is a serious problem where person suffering should not be isolated but rather be talked to and make him feel safe, and there should be destigmatization of. Please continue statement.
Yeah. There should be destigmatization of mental illness in order to change the perception of masses regarding mental disorder, that no one will consider him weak or unstable if he will approach anyone for help.
So we should do it for Rohan so that he'll be back to his tracks again and maybe successful one day.
Okay. So how might be statement is good. Okay. But it is a bit lengthier, of course. So now हमने already बहुत कुछ interview कर लिया है, and we have a lot of things in our mind. So the entire point of doing this exercise was to define the problem by using less jargons, less words, and less filler words, I would suggest. So I have a suggestion to make. You'll see if this suits whatever you're trying to build for. How might we reduce the stigma around mental health to encourage Rohan to seek the support he needs? Okay. So now this has an action item. This, we building it for whom? And what is going to change? In perspective of we giving him some sort of a support. So now you do not have the solution baked in that statement. You're just giving out what arena of solution that you could explore. Okay. So yeah, this can be a how might we for the first problem, which was mental health stigma, which we discussed. Okay, next theme was your, right?
Affordable health.
Okay. Please read whatever you've done.
First of all, user persona. We met 45-year-old Raj, male, factory worker, low socio-economic status, and has poor healthcare facilities in his area. We noticed his behavior. He's stressed and anxious because he was not getting healthcare. He has less finances, so most of his money goes into paying for his family's regular expenses. So he cannot afford regular healthcare and go to a proper specialized hospital. His needs and goals are affordable healthcare, which is accessible to him, and it should be personalized to him, because the problem also mentions how the facilities are overcrowded, so the resources are not enough to cater to all the patients. Then point of view, we met Raj, 45-year-old male, low SEC, low productivity. We noticed that he struggles to afford healthcare. He has a lot of chronic conditions, and due to that his productivity in the workspace is reducing, which also leads to his reducing income day by day, right? So he's also now skipping treatments and his routine whatever medical checkup he has to do, he is not doing that because the root problem is he does not have money and the factory is not providing any kind of healthcare service to him. We wondered things would be better off if the healthcare was provided by the employer himself, and he would take care and give some personalized healthcare to the workers who are working in his working environment. It would be game changing if the employer was aware of the problems his employees are facing. That is, there should be awareness about the employees, their conditions where they are working, and there would be lesser crowd in the public healthcare facilities so that everyone would get healthcare in their hands. How might be statement? We wondered what actions might be taken in order to make the healthcare one affordable, two accessible, three personalized to workers like Raj, which for whom to Raj and also workers like Raj who might include women and women which might be pregnant or have very low healthcare status, and in order to change the healthcare scenario in our country, make it affordable and personalized to the patient.
Okay. So again, we have too many things on the table, right? Again, the focus थोड़ा सा हिला हुआ है कि हम पहले राज के problem पे focus कर रहे थे, then we suddenly shifted to all the other stakeholders also. So now the how might be which I would suggest for your problem is how might we make healthcare services more affordable for low income workers. Does that sound better? है ना? Concise है, to the point है, and a bit understandable also, like who are your exact stakeholders. So you all can do your stakeholder mapping very smoothly, wherein you understand your core, your direct and your indirect ones. Okay? Alright, moving on to the next one. Next one. Your turn.
So, user persona, name is Farida, she's a female and she's living in rural area. She doesn't have access to technology, she has the fear of technology, or she doesn't know how to adapt to change and all. And demographics is she's 60-year-old female, lives in rural area and suffers from many chronic diseases and not getting proper healthcare consultations. And the needs and the goals are proper telemedicine infrastructure, proper healthcare consultation, and she doesn't have anyone near her, so she also needs emotional support during all these procedures, and she needs a regular monitoring to see her chronic disease has developed, how much it has developed. From point of view, so we met Farida. She is a 60-year-old woman coming from a rural background, and she's suffering from many chronic health conditions. We were surprised to notice that she lacks emotional support. She is not aware of what consultation she needs, what she can get, and how accessible it is to get healthcare facilities in rural areas, and how she can use technology to ease all these procedures of her diagnosis and everything. And then we wonder if this means that there is a need of telemedicine infrastructure and online medical resource availability and a good internet services so that she can connect to anyone around the world to help her. And she needs guidance throughout these consultations and everything. And we need to wonder whether there are other people like Farida who are suffering from the same thing, and it can be game changing to medical healthcare if we introduce good internet facilities in rural areas, proper telemedicine infrastructure, and proper support for old age people, because many people do not have their children at home. So
it would be basically game changing for Farida because
Yeah.
technology is already developing. She is the one who is
Yeah.
not being adaptable to change.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your how might be statement?
So how might we generate? We have to develop something which is easily accessible, approachable, and economically feasible for Farida and other old age people living in rural areas.
I would suggest one. How might we provide accessible and user-friendly digital healthcare solutions to bridge the gap for rural residents. Sounds better? So we're actually trying to address what the technological aspects of it can be, and we're doing it for whom. So we are not making any solution, we're just trying to explore what arena could be wherein we can build our solution towards. Alright? Okay guys, I'll hand over the further presentation to Palak. She is a practicing physiotherapist and also one of the mentors, external mentors at MICE. She started off her journey as a student with us, wherein she was she came to us as a student for a hackathon like this, having affinity towards medical innovation. She started off her journey as a student, won that hackathon also. She was the second runner-up, right? First runner-up, right? For that hackathon. And that is how she began her journey, and she is a mentor with you all. So she would be the best one to tell you all from a student's perspective also, how does it feel, and from a mentor's perspective also. So over to you, Palak. All the best.
So thank you, ma'am, for the introduction. I'm Palak. You would have heard already. So I've won a few hackathons at IIT at KEM Hospital, and which was under MICE Labs. So that is how I started, actually doing the work in innovation. And then I did a lot of, mentored a lot of hackathons, few offline, few online, and now I'm here. So I think you can also be at certain position once you start this journey. And I tell this to everyone that innovation is a very slippery road. Up tak you were not exposed to it. The moment you get exposed to it, you're always going to have that thinking process. So just keep that in mind throughout the entire journey. So now we went through 2 stages, right? We went through empathy, we went through define. Okay? This is only when you understood the problem, understood the pain point, and you defined it in a much simpler, precise manner. Okay? Now we are going to look at the 3rd stage, which is ideate. Okay? Ab jo aap sabne, you read the problem statements, you started having ideas. A lot of you wanted to include the ideas also, right, in your statements when you're defining it. So this is the time when you actually do that. Okay? Ma'am. Yeah. Okay, so what is ideation? Ideation is basically a creative process where designers generate ideas in session, and these ideas are not just random ideas. Okay? They can be anything which are related to your topic. Okay, so I'll give you a quick example. Recently, I have a new passion for perfumes. I love what people wear. Whenever I hug, I generally smell a perfume and I'm like, oh, this seems nice. Okay, so this is my idea, but generally I don't know. It's very awkward to ask ना कि अभिजीत तुम कौन सा perfume पहन रहे हो? कौन सा perfume लगाया बताओ मुझे जरा. Very awkward to ask, right? So, which is why, so this is my problem, my personal problem, okay, which may be a problem for other people who love learning about perfumes, correct? So I just randomly thought one day while I was showering that what if my button has a system जो सूंघ के पता कर पाएगा AI के through कि अरे I can know the fragrance that the person is wearing, correct? So this is one literally out of the ball, out of the court. No one would think of it, but just a random idea. Okay, can be a visual thinking also. So that is what ideation is. Worst possible idea, best possible idea, feasible, not feasible, everything would come here in the ideation stage. Okay, keep an open mind. Okay, now you all have a problem statement, correct, with you currently. Okay, idea बहुत सारे आए होंगे. Okay, so now what we do is, this is how things look like. So when you are in an actual hackathon and when you are starting out with a problem statement, what we do is we just put ideas on the table. Okay, कैसे भी. Okay, and then what we do is we do something called a priority matrix. Okay, some of you might have heard the term, some of you might not have. Ma'am, can we have the next slide? Right. So what is a priority matrix? Basically, कुछ चीजें जो हो सकती है, कुछ चीजें जो नहीं हो सकती है. Some things which are simpler to do, but impact is high. जैसे, for example, I made that जुगाड़ू वो books के ऊपर वो setup कर दिया, ठीक है? My effort was minimal, correct? but impact was very high. वो बेचारे के हाथ दुखने बंद हो गए. Correct. So this is low effort, high impact solution. Okay. Something can be a low effort, low impact solution. Okay. So that generally does not work. ठीक है. Next is something which we called high effort, low impact solution. Okay. Which means कि समझो मैंने ये bottles को एक के ऊपर एक स्टैक किया. ठीक है. आई एम बीइंग वेरी कॉशियस एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू प्लेस देम एंड मैंने सोचा इसके ऊपर वो कैमरा रखेगा. माई एफर्ट वॉज वेरी हाई टू सेटल ऑल दिस, बट इज दैट इम्पैक्टफुल? पता चला बेचारे का iPhone 15 Pro Max धड़ करके गिर गया, है ना. सो दैट इज समथिंग विच वी कॉल हाई एफर्ट लो इम्पैक्ट सोल्यूशन. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू इम्पैक्ट योर यूजर, बट it's taking a lot of effort. Okay, so this is something, these are something which we call fads. Generally, you know, they put a lot of effort to make a product. Eventually they realize कि नहीं आ रहा, ये यूजर को काम नहीं आ रहा है. And the breakthrough product is always which is high effort and high impact. Okay, so which basically means कि you put in a lot of effort, you tested, you prototyped, you did all of those things. And now finally you got a product. Okay, you are constantly helping people build it better, and then you give it to the people, the users, and they also like it. Okay, so that is called high impact, high effort. Okay, so that is how you do a matrix. This is when you are prioritizing things, prioritizing different ideas which you have. Okay, अभी आपके पास ideas है generally, so we do two things. One is the chart which you saw. I think we'll just be able to do that in a minute. And the other is, sometimes what I like to do is I like to score every quality of the product. Okay, for example, let me give you a quick example. Okay, कि for all the medicals endoscope होता है. Okay, now think of a multi-directional, easily navigable endoscope which I am giving it to you. Okay, अभी उसमें what all do I have to first prioritize? I have to prioritize the material to ensure the sterility because it's going into the body. Correct? So I have to have a titanium, probably titanium rod होना चाहिए. ठीक है? The bolts and the screws have to be, you know, of a very nice quality so that it can move well. Okay? So these are things which are my basic priority and they'll be given number 1. Okay, so they'll be given the highest points. Okay, and then comes products like, does it look very fancy, does it have like a great grip? Okay, Yonex के बैट्स में के रैकेट्स में जैसा ग्रिप होता है, क्या वैसा ग्रिप है? Okay, so all of those things, the look aspect would probably come a little lower in the category. Agreed? Okay, so now that is how you basically prioritize. So priority matrix can give two things. First is your impact versus effort, and the second is that in the product which you have thought of. So probably you go high effort, high impact. Okay, and then it comes to the materials. कि उसमें भी आपको prioritize करना पड़ेगा. You will have to prioritize everything. Okay. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's actually do this in the session. We are going to give you sticky notes. You all have a problem statement. बहुत सारे ideas आए होंगे दिमाग में. What I want you to do is you all can take those sticky notes, write your idea, and just stick it on the table.
Make sure the tables are clear.
Yeah, ensuring the tables are clear. Okay, you can start that. We'll have 10 minutes for that, and you all can start. You all have sticky notes around you. I think every team has sticky notes. Yeah, you can just bartify it. Yeah, okay.
Stick it on the table.
Okay, think of ideas. Stick it on the table. थोड़ा एस्थेटिक भी दिखाना, हमको भी बड़ा मजा आएगा देखने में. I can see people just writing like 2-3 words, and उसमें they are understanding the idea which they can make. So बहुत सारे ideas आते हैं. So now ये सब ideas हैं. Now you have to prioritize them. So you prioritize it in your head with your team. Okay, but come to one idea, because now what we are going to do is Now we are going to prototype. Now do you know what is a prototype? Anyone?
A blueprint after which the first product is made.
Great.
Experiment.
Sorry?
It's some kind of experiment.
Correct. Anyone else?
Laying out the map how the product will work.
So this is where you actually get your hands dirty. Okay. Prototype is basically an experiment, like you said. Okay, where the team implements the idea into some tangible form. Okay. So what we are going to do is, so tell me one thing. Why should we prototype?
If we encounter some problems in this stage itself, we can eradicate them and work on them.
Okay. Is a prototype something where you should eradicate it at that stage and go ahead, or is it something which you think of before? उसके बाद you put it on paper, something which is more concrete. So when you think about an idea, आपने इतने सारे ideas लगाए हैं, ठीक है? You pick one idea, okay, and then you think of what materials it will take or what efforts it will take to build that idea. Okay, once you build that idea, you have a concrete system in your head. ठीक है कि मुझे ऐसा ऐसा करना है, ये बनाना है. Once you know that, उसके बाद आप प्रोटोटाइप करोगे. You will not prototype before following the previous steps. ठीक है, पहले आपको पहले के steps follow करने हैं. उसके बाद once you have a solid idea, ठीक है, तो you want a tracker. Okay, अभी now iPhone has this activity tracker. उन्होंने ऐसे ही सोच के तो नहीं बनाया होगा. They would have thought of it. Then they would have tried a few things. They would have seen कि कितने टाइम में कितना कैलोरी बर्न होता है, how many METs does it require to burn these many calories, correct? So उन्होंने ये सब टेस्ट करने के बाद ही ये ट्रैकर डाला होगा. So they would have also started with something small, like just a chip probably, and उसी से उन्होंने प्रोटोटाइप बनाया होगा अपना पहला वाला. Okay, so prototype is, we should basically create it to get feedback. ठीक है, you can't go ahead in innovation without feedback. Feedback is your strongest critic and your best friend. Okay, second is to adjust design, color, textures, shapes. ठीक है, ये सब आपको देखने के लिए कि अरे यार मैंने जो सोचा था वैसा प्रोडक्ट आया नहीं है. So then you think about those things. Okay, provide quality assurance. सभी जगह स्टैम्प देखा है क्या? सब मशीन्स पे और सब पे. Okay, FDA tested this, tested that, tested. Correct. So it provides quality assurance, acceptable tolerance level. Okay. अभी जैसे you are using, I don't want to, but everyone would have someone who would be a diabetic in the family. Okay, or in the relatives. Okay. They have that glucose testing device. Okay. अभी अगर किसी का शुगर 500 है, पर आपने कोई डिवाइस बनाया जो 200 के ऊपर मेजर ही नहीं कर पाता. सिमिलर विथ वेइंग स्केल्स, दे राइट ना, सिर्फ 150 किलो तक ही मेजर होगा, है ना. सो यू नो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि कितना आपका डिवाइस टॉलरेट कर सकता है एक लेवल तक. ठीक है, नो द ट्रू कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. हम सोचते हैं वी विल पुट अ टाइटेनियम रॉड. ओके, जैसे मेरी घड़ी है, आई वांट अ टाइटेनियम स्ट्रैप, आई वांट अ मेटल बकल. ठीक है, द मोर यू थिंक ऑफ the more the product cost will increase. Okay, so you will know the true cost of the product, improve the product's integrity. ठीक है, एक होता है true product. ठीक है, जैसे बिस्लरी और बिल्सरी हो गया, पढ़ा है ना, बिल्सरी सभी जगह है ना. तो हाउ श्योर आर यू कि बिल्सरी का भी सेम पानी वो अच्छे से ही बनाता होगा जैसे बिस्लरी बनाता है. ठीक है, I can see a very big nod. तो पता नहीं चल पाता ना. ठीक है, अचानक से वो पानी पियोगे और लगे कि अरे ये तो STP प्लांट से आया हुआ है. I had a personal experience like that. I'll share that story some other time. But it product का integrity देखता है. Find efficiencies and saving. Okay, अभी ड्यूरेल्यूमिन पता है, कभी पढ़ा है कि एरोप्लेन सबसे लाइट मटेरियल से बनता है. ठीक है ना, that metal everyone has heard of. So what if people में भी वहाँ पे efficiently क्या बना सकते हैं? लेदर सीट से. रोल्स रॉयस का सबसे बड़ा जो मॉडल आता है, सबसे अच्छा मॉडल, ठीक है, जो हम अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते अभी. ठीक है, वो लेदर सीट होता है. अभी लेदर की जगह बहुत सारी कार्स रेक्सिन यूज करते हैं, करेक्ट? सो दैट इज कॉस्ट सेविंग, गाड़ी ही चलानी है ना, सीट में आप सीट कवर डाल दो अगर आपके पास इतना पैसे है, लेदर वाला ले लो, करेक्ट? सो एफिशिएंसीज एंड सेविंग्स यू कैन फाइंड, यू कैन मॉडिफाई योर टूल्स ओनली व्हेन यू पुट इट ऑन द टेबल, यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि नहीं ये गलत है, इसको हमें सही करना है, ओके? मेक द प्रोडक्ट मोर ड्यूरेबल एंड रिजॉल्व कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, ठीक है? अभी देयर इज अ टीम, ठीक है? आप दोनों के बीच में समझो ये हो गया कि नहीं योर प्रोडक्ट इज बेटर, यू से योर प्रोडक्ट इज बेटर, पुट इट ऑन द टेबल, आस्क फॉर फीडबैक, ठीक है? जो अच्छा लगा लोगों को दैट विल विन, करेक्ट? नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस बिफोर अ प्रोटोटाइप, ठीक है? तो पहले तो यू हैव टू आस्क द क्वेश्चन व्हाई, ओके? Supposedly I am the creator of ChatGPT. I'm OpenAI. Okay. Why do I want to create ChatGPT? To help people. Why do I want to help people? Okay. I want to make things accessible. Why do I want to make things accessible? Because everything is stored in. सब पैसे लेते हैं, सब लोगों के पास पैसे नहीं है, ये सब में डाल देंगे. Okay. I'll ask the question why. So you have to keep asking why you are doing a certain thing. That is when you understand कि हाँ मेरा idea अभी थोड़ा complete लग रहा है. Okay. Then who are you prototyping for? So have you heard of the term 5W1H? Okay. What is it? When, what, where, why, who, and how. Correct? So think of this. You know, it is one of the most important things to use this when you are prototyping. क्योंकि हम कभी कभार ऐसा करते हैं कि हम प्रोटोटाइप तो बना लेते हैं एंड देन वी आर लाइक यार ये किसके लिए बनाना है, व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट एम आई डूइंग. सो यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ क्लैरिटी व्हेन यू डू these steps. Okay, create an outline of the entire project. Okay, डिटेल से डिस्ट्रैक्ट मत होना, ठीक है? इफ आई वांट टू मेक अ वॉच, ओके, will I be more concerned about the strap or will I be more concerned about the machine, watch ka machine, right? You have automatic, manual, battery operated, ठीक है? So don't get distracted by details. कि मैं ना वो strap के यहाँ एक ऐसा वाला sequence बनाऊँ, नहीं, okay? Plan your documentation process. तो अभी क्या होता है कि you make a lot of prototypes. ओके, ये भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं, ये भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं, इसमें ये डाल देते हैं, फिर क्या होता है अल्टीमेटली यू लूज द ट्रैक. अरे नहीं हमने तो ये सबसे पहले वाले में ही किया था, है ना? सो यू टू डॉक्यूमेंट द एंटायर प्रोसेस एंड लुक एट द फीचर्स, एडवांटेजेस एंड बेनिफिट्स. दिस कॉल्ड द फैब कॉन्सेप्ट, ओके, जिसमें यू लुक एट द फीचर्स, एडवांटेजेस एंड बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द थिंग. और one thing which I want to tell you is, so innovation is something where you want to, innovation is what? Novelty लाना कोई product, correct? That is innovation. So you also would look at something called USP, है ना?
Unique selling proposition.
Yes, correct. ठीक है? तो अभी Blinkit, okay, then you have Instamart, okay, you have Big Basket, ठीक है? Why Blinkit is currently, so if you see at the share prices, why is it the highest? क्यों? Because Blinkit has everything. तुम you want to go to a date, you can order flowers from Blinkit, ठीक है? आपका चार्जर खराब हो गया, you can order it from Blinkit, ठीक है? It has everything, okay? So it's like a e-shopping but quick delivery, okay? So again USP उसका वो हो गया. So use all of these things, okay, before you start prototyping. Now during the prototype, don't forget what you thought of, ठीक है? वो points consider करो जो आपका ideation stage है, definition stage है, ठीक है? All of those things. Choose the pain point and work. Sometimes what happens, to make a product we forget कि इसका actual reason, what is my purpose to build this product. So pain point जो होता है उसी को center of attraction लेके काम करो. Distribute your work amongst the team and work in collaboration. This does not have to be, these 2 days, they do not have to be like school group projects where 2 people are enjoying the AC and other 2 people are slogging their whatever. Okay, so make sure you know how to complete that statement, think of that and work in a team. Okay, do small quick prototypes, and so we are also going to do this right now, but use clay, थर्मोकॉल, कार्डबोर्ड हो गया, एक ढांचा बनाओ. You know how people say in architecture, make a base first, okay, and then you can think of कि अरे यार ये तो maybe some changes here and there would work, and then you start procuring your equipments or the raw materials and then start building. After the prototype, now this is a very important stage. You need to get feedbacks from your users. Okay. Second is you need to rework and iterate. Okay. क्या होता है, आपको समझो 10 लोगों ने फीडबैक दिया, ठीक है, ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है, ये ऐसा है, ये वैसा है, ठीक है. You have to work on it and you have to understand feedback भी, you have to take it constructively first. Second is not all feedback is important. Okay, so prioritize in your feedbacks as well. कि okay, this feedback looks like this is a major issue. Okay, so ये major issue अगर है, तो this I have to work on. Okay, some people say this is not aesthetically nice. Okay, so उनको बोलो please that you go to South Bombay, find aesthetically nice things. Okay, I'm sorry if anyone is from South Bombay or South Delhi, but anyway. So join your parts and pieces together. It's like a puzzle. Okay, आपके पास ये 5 stages है, आपने बहुत सारी चीजें रखी हैं साथ में. Okay, you have to join it and make and see the bigger picture, and then you have to work towards getting to the bigger picture. Okay, and कभी कभार ना वीडियोस बहुत काम आते हैं. So I'll get you quick tips for prototyping. Oh, sorry, you can go back. Okay, so quick tips for prototyping क्या होता है कि लोगों के वीडियोस देना चाहिए. You see, you test. Okay, तो ये सब में तो प्रोटोटाइप जब बनाते हो ना, तब you think of what the user is going to feel. Okay, आपने empathy mapping किया. You saw the user's journey, you are understanding it. Think of yourself as the user, and once you do that, you will be able to make a better prototype. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, we have chart papers, we have clay, we have tapes, papers, all of those things. We currently जो भी आपका solution है, ठीक है, it does not have to be a complete prototype, but get something on paper. जैसे if you are thinking of a tracker, mood tracker, ठीक है, take a cardboard, make a phone, ठीक है, phone जैसा ऐसा device बनाओ, do something in it. So similarly, you all can work on something. Okay, make a prototype, एक ढांचा बनाओ. Think of what you are going to make and then put it on paper. One thing I would like to tell you is, you know how a lot of people say that journaling बहुत अच्छा होता है ना, for mental health. Ever heard this? Yes. Instagram पे तो देखा ही होगा, even if you are not a mental health professional. Okay, why? Because what they say is, when you put your thoughts on paper, you stop overthinking about them. हमें ऐसा लगता है अभी कि नहीं है, थोड़ी ना काम करेगा, but it works. Okay, similarly, put your ideas on the table. Okay, so अभी already you gotten the ideas here written, ठीक है, but they're not made. So make them, think of, select one idea and try to make a prototype of it. You have everything which is required over here. If you need anything, you can just let us know. And we'll have 15 minutes for this. 15, हाँ, 15 ही बोला. Okay, 15 minutes for it. You can start working towards it. If you need anything, let us know. Okay.
Best idea.
बैठ जाओ आराम से. Yeah. Guys, attention over here. Okay, close your eyes, फटाफट से. Okay, think of a situation. You left your current job. Okay, and you don't have money. आपका ego बहुत है, पापा से पैसे नहीं लोगे, ठीक है, पापा मम्मी से. Okay, now you need to get something out on the table. ठीक है, पैसे आपके अकाउंट में से जा रहे हैं, आप बहुत टाइम डिस्कशन में, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग में लगा रहे हो. You don't have a prototype in hand. Okay, how is that going to make your life challenging? Correct? आँख खोलो अभी. ठीक है, so time constraint extremely important. Discussions have to be narrowed down, be constructive, and prototype has to come. एक बार prototype आएगा, at least पहला prototype आ गया, then you can work on making it better. Okay, No more discussions. Okay, get to work. Okay. Yeah, that I had to say because we've spent 25 minutes on this, and I don't think someone's still drawing on the chart paper. So, okay, so keep that in mind. This is a 36-hour hackathon. You only have 24 hours to actually build a product. Okay, tomorrow is pitch day. डरा नहीं रही हूँ, बस बता रही हूँ कि ये सीन है, ठीक है? तो sort yourselves. Okay, चल. Now we go to something called test. Prototype हो गया एक बार, ठीक है? Now you have to test the prototype. Nothing can actually go out in the market before testing. So testing as empathy सबसे पहला step जो था, ठीक है? Empathy mapping और ये सब, ठीक है? तो पहले you have to understand कि अगर ये user के लिए actually useful है, is it solving their pain point? Okay, a good prototype will answer a lot of these questions. Is it good for them? Is it making things feasible, desirable, and और क्या था? Viable, the sweet spot of innovation. ठीक है? Focus on one question at a time. ठीक है? अभी जो यहाँ पे हो रहा था, lots of ideas, practical ones, non-practical ones. So you need to think of one question at a time, solve that one question, move on to the next. Okay. Then take good feedback. Okay. Use your concepts from interviewing the people. ठीक है? उनको क्या? Go back to the basics. ठीक है? And that will kind of help you. Click pictures and look for non-verbal communication for your users. So remember वो traffic police में वो वीडियो में भी वैसा था कि they didn't say anything. ठीक है? जैसे वो टाइमर वापस से बढ़ गया and everyone was laughing, people were worried, they were honking more than they realized. Oh, honking नहीं करना है, correct? So take feedback, click pictures, understand, test, okay? And yeah, so one thing which I want to say is design thinking is an infinite loop. ठीक है? Now you made some prototype, all of you all, correct? Now आप उसको टेस्ट करोगे. टेस्ट में आपको बहुत सारे क्रिटिसिज्म आए, बहुत सारे फीडबैक्स आए. ओके, यू टेक देम अगेन, यू गो थ्रू द एंटायर फेज ऑफ एम्पथाइज, डिफाइन, आइडिएट, प्रोटोटाइप एंड टेस्ट. ठीक है? आपने अगर अपना प्रोडक्ट आप जाके किसी को दिखाते हो, दे लाइक पर मुझे तो ये चाहिए ही नहीं था, मुझे तो ये चाहिए, करेक्ट? सो अगेन यू लर्न हाउ टू एम्पथाइज, अगेन यू मैप द यूजर पर्सोना एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, यू अगेन डिफाइन, ओके, एंड go through the other stages. So it's going to be an infinite loop for you. Now, most important part, after you've done everything, all these efforts, now is the pitch deck. Okay, so what is exactly pitch deck? It's basically a brief presentation, okay, which you make. It can be on Canva, PowerPoint, Keynote, कुछ भी use कर सकते हो आप, and provide the audience with a business plan, with what your product is, with what the problem statement is. All of those things you will actually put in the pitch deck presentation, okay? And you are going to just think of this, you are in Shark Tank, सामने बहुत सारे लोग बैठे हैं, ठीक है? आपको product pitch करना है, you have to be innovative in your pitch as well, okay? You have to showcase your product, you have to show them कि my company is valued at this money, so I want your money to, I want you to invest your money in my company, correct? So it's going to be with investors, okay? So you have to ensure that you know, you have to prepare your pitch deck very well. Okay, what do we include in a pitch deck? Generally there's a cover page, a problem solution जो आपने बनाया है, market size क्या है? Is anyone aware of this concept called TAM, SAM, SOM?
Yeah, total addressable market.
Can you say it out loud?
Total addressable market.
It's TAM. Okay,
Yeah.
then
Other one, I don't.
okay, we'll learn about it. We'll talk to you about that step once you get your problem statements. But that's also a very important concept. दुनिया में बहुत सारे patients हैं. Every person on this planet is going to be a patient once in their life. Okay, that is your total equitable market. उसमें से आप कितना अपने एरिया में, maybe you narrow it down. So that is SAM. And SOM is कि आप कितनों को आप actually provide कर सकते हो वो चीज़. ठीक है? So that is going to be your market size. Okay. Then we have product features. You have to show your USPs. You have to show what features are in your product. Okay. Then is the business model. I guess I have one to show you. You can. So this is called a business model canvas. I'm just passing it around quickly in a minute. Just look at it. Each then you are going to face a lot of competition also. Okay, so that you have to ensure कि you also think of what the competition is, what are things going on in the market, वो भी देखना पड़ेगा. Competitive advantage, अभी आपका USP है, you have all of those things. So what is your competitive advantage in that particular area of expertise? Okay, now I am a physiotherapist, but I am also an innovator. I am also a mentor. So that is my competitive advantage. All of you are going to pass out with the same degree, but उसके ऊपर आपके पास अगर कुछ होगा, competitive advantage. So similarly for your product as well, you have to say that your team, it will be nice to see pictures of your team and your contact details, so people can contact you for further connections, communications. Now tips देती हूँ फटाफट से. बहुत ही clear presentation रखना है, ठीक है? Not a lot of words. Everything that you put on the presentation, ask yourself, is it important to put it in the presentation? Okay. Second is, you don't particularly have to refer to the presentation. Now, half the things which I am speaking is not from this. It's also from my own experience. So it is your experience as an innovator. Okay. So sometimes you need to skip the bullets. Talk about yourself. Okay. Every good brand has a story, and that story is impactful. So the world revolves around stories. लोग बोलते हैं ना कि मेरे बच्चों के लिए मेरे पास एक अच्छा स्टोरी है. Okay, so that is the this thing. Okay, now your pitch must basically include a short introduction. You can take a note of this because this might help you. So short introduction, your need statement, which is basically why, what is the problem and why do you need to find a solution for it. Your research insights, आपने जो भी sketch किया होगा, आपने जो भी बनाया होगा, ठीक है. Solutions which you are proposing. Conceptualization, which is ideas, sketches. सोचा होगा ना कुछ कि कैसे बनाते हैं, कैसे करते हैं, ये सब sketch करना है because documentation we spoke about during the ideation stage. Very important. Okay. Now cost estimate. Okay. Value proposition, which is why your product is the best product in the market, why you are the best in the market, and why people should invest in your company. That is value proposition. Okay. Business strategy and model. Further scope. So further scope is basically कि इसमें हम और क्या कर सकते हैं. Right now it is not the best. Right now it is not feasible because currently we don't operate with these things. But this can be the future scope. Maybe if you are making an app, you can link it to the insurance companies. Helps. But अभी ये होगा, you can link it with the government. But government से अभी link होगा नहीं. हम पहले इसको अच्छे से बनाएंगे. Then we can probably do that. Okay, so something on the similar lines. And then your conclusion. Okay. So these I've literally given you 10 slides. Slide के headings दिए हुए हैं. You have to work upon these. Okay. So this completes the design thinking workshop, and you all have successfully, I think, somewhat understood what this thing is. You also understood how difficult it is and how easy it is. So I'll just hand it over to Shreya ma'am.
Okay guys, I hope it was an enriching experience. Latecomers, sorry you all missed quite a lot of things, but then we'll make sure that you are equipped with all of things. So I gave you all a quick brief of what exactly MICE is and what do we do. So we do keep on posting a lot of interactive things with regards to research, entrepreneurship, innovation on our website, which is www.micelabs.in, and we are also there on Instagram, which is mice.labs. So I actually want you all to, whatever that you guys are ideating, prototyping, put it on the internet. That is how you all network with people. Trust me, because when you all appear on all these feeds and pages, that is how you meet people. That is how you connect with people. So तुम एक room में बैठ के बहुत सारी चीजें करोगे, does not make sense. But you see LinkedIn, right? अगर मैं एक छोटा bottle, it is a privilege to tell you that I have opened this bottle. You see that, right? Quite a lot. So what are you doing? You're selling yourself, publicize कर रहे हो, and what are you getting out of it? Of course, you see a badge around it. You are the top voice, or maybe say one of the contributors towards good content. So that is what you need to do. Put it up on Twitter. We are also there on Twitter, which is again mice.labs. So डालो if you're not there on Twitter, Instagram पे डालो. A lot of things could be done. And apart from this, if you guys have any ideas that you all want to take forward, Please feel free to connect with us. This is our contact details. You all can take a quick picture. We're there all over the internet. You all can connect with us. You all can, bring out your ideas. If you all feel lost, how do we go about our entrepreneurship journey, we'll make sure that it is a cakewalk for you all, provided you all give us your time and dedication. Okay, so that is all from our end, guys. We will be now quickly distributing the problem statements. I would suggest, if you all could just team up. The teams have already been put on your WhatsApp. So please team up, sit. There would be like 2 problem statements which would be given to each team. Okay, so we guys are not over. 2 problem statements for each team. Okay, you all choose, you all randomly pick up chits. You all then sit and see what could be worked on probably. The time is 12:30. By 1:30 or maximum 2, lunch ke baad, which is around like 1:32, you all will tell us the final problem statement that you would be working. So then lunch is basically going to be like a brainstorming and a networking one. Basically हवा खानी नहीं फिलहाल, ठीक है? तो brainstorm करो, networking करो, सोचो क्या बन सकता है कल तक. Okay? बाकी जो deliverables होंगे, I'll also announce what are the deliverables going to be, so that तुम लोग problem statement जब choose करोगे, that would actually help them. So first is going to be like a pitch deck, जिसके already हम components बता चुके हैं तुमको. Second is going to be a prototype. A prototype can be any form. Working models are of course would be appreciated, but I do not know what sort of resources you all have, और time crunch भी है. So at least like a soft copy of everything. Maybe an app है तो एक wireframe होना चाहिए. Use AI, exploit karo. There are a lot of app building things where you just put your prompt and then they build an app for you. So do all those things. And the third one is your website. A website is very important thing through which you build your online presence. So these 3 deliverables are expected by tomorrow. We will be giving you a deadline because you can't be expecting अगर 4:30 बजे हम बोल रहे हैं हमको present करना है. आप 4 बजे उठ के लेकर आओगे नहीं चलेगा. ओके, वी वुड बी गिविंग इट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रायोरिटी एंड पहले आपको यू हैव टू मेल इट टू अस. वी बी डेफिनेटली पुटिंग एवरीथिंग, कहाँ पे मेल करना है, किसको करना है, व्हाट शुड बी द सब्जेक्ट लाइन एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दिस इज एक्सपेक्टेड गाइज. यूज कैनवा पे वेबसाइट बहुत इजीली बन जाते हैं. इफ यू गाइज हैव नॉट एक्सप्लोर्ड, यूज Wix. Wix also has an AI tool in it, so you directly just put a prompt and it builds website for you all. So again, explore. Don't sit कि अरे मुझे नहीं आता, मैं इंजीनियर नहीं हूँ. नहीं, इंजीनियर को भी नहीं आता होगा शायद, वो भी एक्सप्लोर करेगा तब उसे आएगा. So similarly, work in collaboration, work with each other. I guess Sanvi, are we ready with the problem statements? We can. Okay, ठीक है. So we'll be getting the problem statements by that.
Guys, one thing which I want to say, when ma'am told about reels and all, so my reel which I made during my participant journey, that has 12,000 views on Instagram and has been put on YouTube and Twitter as well. So अगर आपको बढ़ाना है अपना viewership,
right, absolutely.
So you can do that.
Okay guys, okay, the problem statements will be revealed shortly. Until then, अपने टीम्स वगैरह में बैठ जाओ, एटलीस्ट थोड़ा सोचो क्या हो सकता है क्या नहीं करके. एक्सप्लोर टूल्स विच कैन बी प्रोबेबली